Hi, it's Candus, and I want to take a moment to say thank you for being part of my community. I am so excited and grateful to have you. I wanted to check in and see how are you doing with your QuickBooks. Have you figured it out? Are you needing some help? If so, if you figured it out, let's start there. Congratulations. Yes, yes, yes. You're so excited for your tax appointment. If you still feel like there's something missing, you don't know how to enter your transactions, your reconciliation's off, your credit cards are off, you can't read your reports, I'd love to invite you to my workshop that I'm doing. If you haven't already saved your seat, make sure you do. This is a special workshop. We're going to talk about how to customize QuickBooks to your specific business, how to make sure that you have everything in place so that you can show up to your next tax appointment with confidence. So make sure you save your seat. I can't wait to see you there. Let me know below, what are you most excited about either figuring out with your QuickBooks? Like, what is your number one struggle? Keep it positive as much as possible. And then what is the thing you want to get figured out? I can't wait to see you on the workshop. Have an amazing day.